Hey you guys, it's been a minute, but today we will be working with Eullair hair. I did purchase this with my own money, so this is not sponsored. Um, the look that I was inspired by was by Glizzy Glow, I believe. The hair is shed a little bit, but it wasn't too much shedding. It also came with a pair of lashes. The lamps that I had purchased was two 14-inch, one 12-inch, and a 10-inch frontal. The experience with the hair, it was shiny and everything. Like, if you're looking for somebody to purchase like a company off of AliExpress, I will recommend them. The ends wasn't thin at all for it to be 613 hair. It was like really thick, like hella thick. Even after I dyed the hair, like it was still thick and it didn't shed at all. The only time it shed is when I was combing it through so I could soak it in shimmer lights to at least get the brownness out of it, like the brassiness, yellowness from the hair. And it was still like good and soft and everything, and didn't shed after that. I did use the Adore dye. They are affordable, so if you are looking for somebody like a brand, use them. Like that serious. Like I dyed so much hair using this brand. But I used 2 platinum, 1 titanium, and 1 jet black. The reason why jet black is that I only put a little bit of the jet black in the platinum just to give it that smoky look. And that's the technique that I got from Glizzy Glow. Shout out to you, girl, because you was legit with that doggone tutorial. But anyway, like that job really came out good. Like I thought like the hair was gonna come out jet black, because if it did, I was just gonna dye the whole entire hair jet black. But it didn't. It really came out really super cute, and I got so many compliments. I did use a sewing machine to sew up this whole entire wig. Yes, it was very challenging, but you know what? It actually came out really good. Shout out to Erica J. Like, girl, you was the GOAT. I don't know what I would have done if you wasn't on YouTube, and if you ain't posted that video how to make a wig with a sewing machine. Girl, you was the freaking GOAT. So yeah, y'all need to go subscribe to Erica J and Glizzy Glow. Right now, I am making the guidelines to where I'm going to sew the website. I did purchase a Sharpie metallic marker at Walmart. So, if y'all looking for this marker, it comes in a 3-pack at Walmart. Here are some videos of my hair straightened and curled. Thank you to everyone that told me happy birthday. I really enjoyed my 19th birthday. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what color should I do next. Bye, you guys.